everybody, good afternoon. This is your old buddy Big Papa here, but you knew that. It's a Sunday afternoon and I felt like some chicken. We're going to make some Huli-Huli chicken. We're going to cook it on the BPS drum. We're going to smoke it and then we're going to sear it. But let's talk about Huli-Huli sauce. It's a Hawaiian sauce that came in the 40s or 50s. And really it's teriyaki, but with a lot of pineapple. So what we're going to start with is we're going to take a cup of pineapple juice. And I like canned pineapple juice for this part of it because pineapples have an enzyme that breaks down the meat and I don't really want that to happen here, and the can doesn't. So right here, very simply, quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of rice wine vinegar, quarter cup of soy, and what else did I put in there? Oh, some ketchup. About a quarter cup of brown sugar. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. And then just because I can, a couple cloves of garlic. So once again, this is a quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of rice wine vinegar, quarter cup of soy, and a quarter cup of ketchup. Here we go. Quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 crushed garlic. I don't have any French ginger, but I actually like this stuff. A couple light squirts, because I can. Here we go. Just a little sriracha, just to give you that sweet heat going there. Should be not enough to hurt anybody's feelings. I like my battery machine. Can you hear me over it? Now I can taste it, make sure I like it. I think I want just a dash more sugar. You can also do honey. That's a great thing about tasting. It says about 3 tablespoons. It's okay to taste and adjust. It's okay. I told you it's okay, so it's okay. You know, it's funny, I can't even taste the sriracha. Really good. Okay, I'm going to come back and prep the chicken, but in the meantime, I'm going to take this, I'm going to put a pot on the stove, and I'm just going to heat it up, mix it up, reduce it just slightly. And then I'll come back and I'll prepare the chicken with our sweet money, and we'll go outside of the BPS drum and cook it. Well, how much fun is this? Got the marinade. Now, it's always good to reserve some marinade because you don't want to use marinade that's had raw chicken, raw pork, or raw beef. So I always like to reserve some. So we're going to come in here. We have some thighs. And this is a rugged dish. So we don't really have to do too much. Maybe just square it just a little bit. Some fat off. This is exactly where I want it. Now we're going to pull out these leg quarters. You know, I really like using legs and thighs because they're more forgiving. You can take them farther. They don't dry out. So here's some beautiful quarters. These are great. Now I could separate them if I want, but I think I'm going to serve them like this. I think people will kind of like this. We're going to do a couple things. We're going to turn them upside down. And because you're my new best friend out there, we're going to hit them. I like to say hit them. No, we're going to give a sweet money bath on both sides. Now, sweet money is great on pork, on chicken. Sweet money's got honey bonded sugar. It's got salt, garlic, and now you'll see big salt in it. Don't panic. It's a super high quality sea salt. So the rubs aren't high sodium. It's just the big rub may surprise you. But what you do is you just put it on. You let it sweat. You let it melt. You let it create a dry brine. Salt cap on it. And in the meantime, all the other ingredients got their real estate there. So we go just a little more. I can see the pepper in there. I can see the sugar, honey bonded sugar. I can see paprika, garlic, a little bit of everything. Sweet Money's won just about every world championship there is numerous times by many teams around the world. So here we go. Now, you guys probably can't guess what I'm going to do with this. Oh yeah, you've watched my videos. Look at this baggie. So I'm going to put this chicken in the baggie and I'll pour the marinade in the baggie. Now let me explain something to you. Really, you should marinate this for about a day. I never know what I'm cooking, so we're obviously not going to marinate it for a day, but we'll get a good couple solid hours in it, and then we'll go put it on the drum. So look at all the fits in there. Okay, we got our chicken in the baggie. A little marinated. Remember, we reserved some so we can baste at the end. Now, another thing, if you watch me, I'm always saying, don't put your sauce on until the end. It's just going to burn. Well, we want it to burn a little bit, but at the end. So we're going to do kind of a reverse sear. I'll get all the air out of this. And when it comes out, by the way, of the refrigerator, and I put it on the cooker, I'm going to put it on an indirect heat at about 300 degrees. I'm also going to just give it a nice little dusting of Sweet Money because a lot of it will have dissolved in the marinade. But at least I've got all those sauces and seasonings working. So let me put it in here for a couple hours and we'll be outside at the cooker. Okay, here we are, Huli-Huli time out by the BPS drum. I have it set at 300 degrees. Take the chicken. Gonna circle the wagons with it around the center part that's hot. Ooh, oh, does that look good? Because it sure looks good to me. All right, I'm gonna get some Sweet Money and I'll be right back. Okay, we have some more fun here that I haven't told you about. Well, this is looking really good. Sweet Money. Pineapple. Hello. Hello, I've got my new pineapple glasses. Now, we're going to put Sweet Money on the pineapple too. And the reason why is the salts draw the sugar to the surface and really makes kind of a neat combo. So I'm going to take these to about 170. Let me just see how I'm doing so I get an idea. About halfway there. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Okay, we're going to be checking our pineapple out. Nice little caramelized there. Going to do here. See how nice and thick this sauce is. I think this is going to be really good. Flip these over. Get them more towards the fire, pull these pineapples back. Okay, we're trying to burn it just a little bit. Come back over here. Over here. Make sure that gets some of the fire. This is live fire cooking. I love this. This is so much fun. Baste the final time. It probably has about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. That's done. That's done. Shut her down. Okay, here we are. It's done. It's beautiful. Let me just move this around a little bit. One of these bad boys here. There. I think little Louie told me it's missing something, and I think she's right. Missing some green. I'm pretty excited about this. I think I'm gonna leave the green out. Here you go. Papa's Huli-Huli. Huli-Huli.